Most homeowners think they're saving $2,000 on a new AC, but they're actually signing up for a ghost system. Imagine it's 100 degrees, your house is a furnace, and you find out the warranty you're counting on is essentially a piece of paper no local tech will honor. You're about to see how one simple choice between two nearly identical looking boxes can either save your summer or cost you the price of a second unit. I've seen this play out 1,000 times. Before I started HVAC for Beginners, I spent 17 years in the field as an installer and contractor. But honestly, my no-nonsense approach comes from my time as a U.S. Navy nuclear power electrical operator. In a Navy ship, there's no room for maybe it works. I apply that same level of scrutiny to every piece of equipment I review. Today we're looking at the MRCOOL HAC15 and the OXBOX J5AC5. On the surface, they look like the budget-friendly kings of the 2026 season. But these two systems lead to completely different long-term outcomes. One is built for the hands-on risk taker, and the other is built for the homeowner who never wants to think about their AC again. What most people don't realize about SEER is that a 14.3 rating on paper doesn't always equal a lower bill. Both these units are hitting that 14.3 to 15 SEER equivalent 2 mark. Here's the hidden trap. The MRCOOL HAC15 condenser is often listed online for around $1,300, while the OXBOX is closer to $3,300 for a full 5-ton kit. But why do installers push the more expensive one? It's not just markup. It's because if an OXBOX breaks, they can drive 5 minutes to a supply house and fix it today. If your MRCOOL has a proprietary board issue, you might be waiting on a shipping container whilst your family sweats. The OXBOX uses slotted panels, a design choice inherited from its parent company, Trane, which protects your coils from hail and weed whackers much better than the basic wire guards often found on entry-level units. It's a comfort stability play versus a lowest price play. This is the massive gap. MRCOOL offers a standard 10-year parts warranty. But read the fine print. It often requires a licensed pro for the Pro Series. OXBOX gives you that same 10 years but adds a 1-year unit replacement guarantee. If the heart of the system dies in year 1, they don't just send a part, they swap the whole machine. Let's talk real numbers. You can get a MRCOOL condenser for $1,283. But by the time you add the line set, refrigerant, and a brave technician, you're looking at $3,500 plus installed. The OXBOX is going to run you closer to $5,000 to $6,000 installed by a pro. That $2,500 savings on the MRCOOL feels great today. But when a nightmare unit repair bill hits $1,500 because no one wants to work on it, that savings evaporates. You aren't just buying metal, you're buying a relationship with a local repairman. Here's what nobody tells homeowners. The number one killer of these new 2026 units isn't a bad brand, it's a dirty coil. If you don't spray your outdoor coils with a gentle garden hose once a year, the head pressure spikes, and you'll cook that expensive compressor regardless of the brand name on the door. So, should you go with the DIY darling or the contractor's choice? If you are a technical wizard who can swap your own parts, MRCOOL is a fun gamble. But here's the truth for 99% of people. The OXBOX J5AC5 is the winner. It offers a better safety net with its replacement guarantee and ensures you aren't blacklisted by the best techs in your town. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVAC- for beginners.com.